Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by making sure Chrome is current and you've signed into every Google account you use. Once done, pick the one you want as the default. This choice matters because Chrome uses the first signed-in account to set defaults. Open Chrome, check menu Help About Chrome to update if needed, then open a new profile or sign-in flow. Make sure you remember passwords or have two-step ready so sign-in goes smoothly. This prevents interruptions during the next step. Now you'll use sign-in order to establish the default. Sign out of every Google account in Chrome, use Manage People or the Profile Avatar menu to fully sign out. Next, sign in first to the account you want as default. This registers it as primary. After that, add your other accounts via the upper right avatar, add another account. This order matters because Chrome links the first signed-in account to many default services. Following this avoids finish by verifying the default. Open Gmail or Drive and confirm your chosen account appears as primary. If you see a different account, make sure you fully signed out of all accounts and repeat the sign-in order. Sometimes cached profile data keeps the old default. If problems persist, create a new Chrome profile, sign into the desired account first, then add others. This isolates settings. Remember, clearing profile cache or using a fresh profile resolves most stubborn default account issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.